So something that I've been struggling with lately with Parrot Anafi footage is when I import it into Premiere Pro, it tends to lock up Premiere Pro and cause it to not respond, only on the initial import. Sometimes after I'll get some lockups trying to edit it, and oftentimes I will lose projects because of this footage. And it's one of the reasons why I don't use it very often. I think I have a fix for it, but let me show you first what I'm talking about. So if I go to Import Media, and go to my folder where I have the file. So I have them right here. Here's some Anafi footage. You'll notice that it's going to try to import and it's going to take quite a bit of time. Usually it doesn't take this long. This is actually not a very long clip and it is really struggling right now to try to import this footage. And you'll see if I move this, yeah, it goes to not responding. Again, this is only on Anafi footage. Little weird, but I've got a fix for this, so stick around. What's good, guys? Welcome back, Original Dobo, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this not responding issue that I get from Premiere Pro and Parrot Anafi footage. Matter of fact, since I started this intro, I'm still trying to import that footage and it is still telling me that Premiere is not responding. I'm going to leave it alone because I know it will import, but I have a really awesome fix for this. And it comes in the form of a video recovery software that basically fixes and repairs corruption. Now, I'm not saying Parrot Anafi footage is corrupted, but whatever this software does, it rectifies the problems I have when importing. You see, that's how long it took to import this file. Now, this was a 4-minute clip, but in actuality, it should not have taken this long to import this. So let me show you that same clip. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my video recovery software. Now this is another piece of software from Recoverit. And basically what this does is repairs corrupted video files. Most typically you would use this if your camera lost battery power or something like that mid-shoot and you had a file that became broken. This would repair that file for you. But I'm going to be using it in a way that probably isn't typical. And what I want to do is go into my video files and more importantly, I'm going to grab that same file, and that was this clip right here. So pretty long file, it's 3 gigs long, and basically I'm just going to go into repair. Now it does take a little bit for this to actually complete, so I'll let it do its thing and we will come back after it's all said and done. Okay, so the file is done being fixed. It took a lot less time than it took to actually import the footage correctly the first time into Premiere. So now that it's all done, I've actually saved this to a folder and I'm gonna put this on my local disk. And I actually have a repaired video folder where I'm saving these to. So I'm just gonna save it to there. And there it is right there. And I'll just close out of this file now. So now let's go ahead and try to import this into Premiere Pro. So same file, I'm just going to go to my C drive, repaired video files, and I'm going to go to my latest one, which is this right here. Here's the 2025. Watch how fast this imports now. So again, big file, bam, import it and done. Super fast. Again, this software fixes the issue I have specifically with Parrot footage. I've also tried this with Autel Evo footage. A lot of people have complained about the HEVC codec, giving them problems while editing. And this seemingly corrects that problem with those sort of high efficiency files. Whatever it's doing on the back end is rectifying the problem. Again, it's a super simple solution, especially for you guys who have a Parrot Anafi, don't have a Mac and not using Final Cut Pro. If you're using Premiere Pro, this will save you a lot of time, a lot of headache while importing it. You saw how long it took to import the file and how easy and simplistic this software was. It quite literally is just a drag and drop footage. And again, I can grab any file right off that SD card, which again, we'll grab it for namesake. We'll just grab another file. This is a smaller file, and you can see a fresh file just grabbing to try to import is taken a while. Now that didn't take too terribly long right there, as the first time it didn't lock up, but again, it shouldn't take that long. It's only a 13-second clip. But again, if I take that same clip, clean it with this software, the problem goes away, which I think is pretty cool. I'm going to continue to use this because I don't want to have to keep crashing Premiere Pro. Premiere's got enough of problems all on its own. And you can see that cleaned that file pretty quickly. I'm going to save it back to my repaired video folder. Yep, save, done. And I'll go ahead and import that same file. So I'm going to go back to my C drive again, just to show you that it's not like a one-time thing, that this really does work. There's the latest one, there's that file, and bam, it's imported already. So super quick, super easy. There's no loss in resolution on these either, which I think is great. It's also a little bit easier to scrub through. You can see scrubbing's easy. Yeah, the horizon's really screwed on the Anafi. I have to fix and calibrate the horizon, but anyways, this is the Recoverit video repair utility. I think if you're going to be filming or doing any sort of video work, you need a utility like this for when things like this tend to go wrong. I'll include a link down in the description below where you can check it out. But yeah, super quick and weird solution that's been working well for me. Thanks for watching. Stay original.